Hello guys, welcome to the Altruist Styles. I am Janvi and today we are going to learn vocabulary as known as lexical resources related to crime and law. It is the episode number 24 and you can check all the previous episodes on our channel. So, in the last video we have covered three words. The first word was deleterious. It is adjective and something that has a deleterious effect on something has a harmful effect on it. The second word was ruthless. It is also an adjective, and if you say that someone is ruthless, you mean that you disapprove of them because they are very harsh or cruel and will do anything that is necessary to achieve what they want. The third word was amend. It is a verb, and if you amend something that has been written, such as a law, something that is said, you change it in order to improve it or make it more accurate. Now, before moving to our today's words, I want to announce that we are providing writing correction service. That means if you are stuck at band 6.5 or less in writing section, you can join our Facebook group and the link is in the description box, so don't forget to check it. Now let's jump to our today's words. The first word is desperate. It is adjective and it means you are in such a bad situation that you are willing to try anything to change it. Let's look at some of the synonyms. Grave, great, pressing, serious. Let's look at the example. Troops are needed to help get food to the people in desperate need. Now let's go to the collocations. Desperate attempt, desperate need, desperate for something, so desperate. Let's go for the grammar part. The adverb is desperately, like thousands are desperately trying to leave their battered homes, and the synonyms are gravely, badly, seriously. Now let's jump to second word, grim. It is also an adjective. A situation or piece of information that is grim is unpleasant, depressing, and difficult to accept. And if a person or their behavior is grim, they are very serious, usually because they are worried about something. Let's look at some of the synonyms. Terrible, severe, harsh, stern, grave. Let's look at the examples. They painted a grim picture of growing crime. And the second example could be her expression was grim and unpleasant. Now let's go to the collocations. Grim reappear, grim smile, grim reality. Let's go for the other things. Grim is also an uncountable noun, grimness, and the example could be an unrelating grimness of tone. Graded adverb is grimly. It's too late now to stop him, Harris said grimly. Let's jump to our third word, judicious. It is also an adjective. And if you describe an action or decision as judicious, you approve of it because you think that it shows good judgment and sense. Let's look at the synonyms. Sensible, considered, reasonable, discerning. Let's jump to the example. The president authorizes the judicious use of military force to protect our citizens. Now let's go for the collocations. Judicious mixture, judicious use, and other things. The adverb is judiciously. The example could be modern fertilizers should be used judiciously, and the noun is judiciousness. And in the next video we will cover the word impinge, bind, nag, and many more. Until then, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description box. Thank you.